Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be discussing about the hiring process of IBM CIC 2025. So actually many candidates are getting the mails for IBM CIC assessment. In this video, I will be talking about IBM CIC hiring 2025 full hiring process. So let's start. So first of all, for IBM CIC hiring, what is the pay package and what is the profile? So the profile which they are offering is ASE, which is Associate Systems Engineer. Okay, so if you got selected, you will be working as Associate Systems Engineer in IBM. The pay package for this profile will be 4.5 lakhs rupees. If you will divide this profile into the breakdown, then basically in this 4.5 lakhs, the profile will be divided into two parts. One is the fixed, one is variable, and one is joining bonus. Generally, you get 25k as the joining bonus. Apart from this, in 4.25 lakhs, you will be getting 10% as variable pay and the fixed pay will be around 3.7 lakhs. So your in-hand salary will be anywhere between 30 to 32,000 rupees. Okay, this will be your profile. The best part is they promote you within 1 to 2 years and your salary package will be increased in a good manner. So you can expect after 1 to 2 year, your pay package can be around 40 to 42,000 rupees. Now talking about this profile, the whole process is divided into the multiple parts. The first part is obviously the coding assessment, which you guys are getting. So first is the coding test. Second process is English test. Third is physical assessment. And the fourth one is interview. So let's break down all the steps. The first one, which is the coding test. Generally, in the coding test, you will be getting two coding questions. The level of the coding questions will be medium. Okay, you can expect lead code easy to medium level questions here. And basically, the questions will be not from graph and DP and all. Okay, these were the questions which will be from general data structures like arrays, strings, numbers, hash maps. Okay, these kind of questions you will be getting. But definitely there will be some algorithm which you need to implement to get the actual answer. The level of the questions will be not easy. The questions will be of lagbhag medium level. Okay. Out of these coding questions, suppose if your score is good, depending upon how many students are participating in the test. Okay, suppose if your performance is very good, okay, after completing these two coding questions, next day, by next day only, you will be getting your English test. Okay, now this English test is basically a communication test in which they will be judging your skills in reading, listening, speaking. Okay, and you will be getting the question like listen and repeat, grammar related questions, and speaking on some topics, speaking the answers. So this kind of communication assessment will be there, which is the English test in IBM. Okay, and see, this step is also very crucial because actually in IBM it is important that you score good in English test because many candidates after the English test do not get the physical assessment mail. Okay, so physical assessment is also very important, which they are conducting currently. Okay, so basically for 2 days they are conducting the physical assessment. After like this process, whole process, they will shortlist you for the physical assessment. Now generally in the physical assessment again there will be two coding questions generally which they ask. Again, the level of the coding questions will be easy, medium level. Okay. But the main thing is this test will be in office. Okay. Generally, they call the students to Bangalore or Hyderabad office for this test. Okay. In this test, basically in this test, okay, what you need to do is you will be going to the office. Okay, and in office you will be getting the link of the test and you need to solve the coding question in office. Okay, in this physical assessment, after completing this test, suppose if you will clear the round, by next day only you will be getting the IBM interview. Okay. Now the IBM interview will be comprised of multiple parts. Multiple parts like mostly it will be on your resume. So it depends like what you have written in your resume. One programming language and one project. At least this much knowledge you should have. Apart from this, if you have good command over the technical skills, also the communication skills are good, then you don't need to worry much about the interview, because the interview process will be comprising the resume questions only. Mostly the questions will be from resume, one programming language and one project related questions, and communication based only, like HR questions and situational based questions. So after that you will be getting your offer in IBM, and this will be the whole process for IBM CIC hiring. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching.